What's up, y'all? It's your boy, Black Owl, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Black Owl. Today, I'm going to show you how to make some cheeseburger macaroni. And you're saying to yourself, Black Owl, cheeseburger macaroni, is it cheeseburger and a little macaroni on the side? No, it's both of them together, and something that's just lovely and wonderful. And speaking of lovely and wonderful, you're saying to yourself out there, Black Owl, you looking extra studly today? Well, that's because I'm running around trying to get everything done. And that's the great thing about this. When you're running around like I'm doing laundry, doing chores, this is a quick meal you can make when everybody's in there whining, oh, I'm hungry and I want something to eat, and you sounding like Fred Sanford.
You big dummy.
So, first thing you gotta do, you gotta get some macaroni to make some macaroni stuff. I went ahead and got the old cheapo macaroni today because it's just as good as the Kraft, if you ask me for less. So, go ahead and get that. Read the directions on the back of the box there, buddy. You gotta get some water boiling there. Put it in this little jacuzzi and let it swim, if you will. So, once you get your noodles good and boiled, take them and drain them off. And then we're going to put them in a bowl. Put all those ingredients from the back of the box in there, a little butter. And then pour that cheese dust in there. And be careful because you're getting Chester Cheetah a little too excited. He's in the other room going, time to party. So you get that in there. And then you know what I like to add? My little extra secret, which I guess ain't no secret no more. Just a dab of sour cream. Kind of gives it a little ooey gooey, makes it goody woody. So let's go ahead and put that in there, stir it up, set it to the side, and now it's time for that big meat. And I ain't talking about what I got. You know I ain't talking about that. I'm talking about the ground beef. Using about 1.5 pounds today. You can change the ratio if you want. Me, I'm using 2 boxes of macaroni, about 1.5 pounds of ground beef. So put that in there, and we'll flavor it just like we would an old burger. Salt, pepper, onion, make it cry, make it good. So we're going to go ahead and do that. Get that browned up. Shouldn't take you long. Don't be in there watching behind the music with damn Guns N' Roses trying to figure out what happened to Axl Rose in there, because we know what happened to him. So go ahead and get your stuff, get it browned up, take it out, put it to the side, drain that grease off there. We're going to come right back. And me, I'm going to use 2 separate bowls because I got all this stuff. You got a big bowl, big money, you go for it, buddy. But me, needed 2 today. So go ahead and put everything kind of evenly spread out like I'm doing if you're using a big bowl. So gonna go ahead and put that in there, and you're saying to yourself like, oh, I heard you, I see you wanted some bacon on there. Well, you know everything's better with bacon. You saying you got time to fry bacon? You know what I'm gonna tell you. I ain't got time for that yet. So we're using the old bacon bits today, and these are real bacon pieces. You ain't gonna know the difference. Put them in there, stir them around, and finally we're gonna add some little extra cheese, if you please. This is a shredded Colby Jack. Put it in there, stir it around, and I'm gonna put mine in the microwave and Duke nukem in the microwave. Like 20 minutes or so, long enough to melt that cheese. And when I'm done, oh, it's going to be fun. I'm going to be ready for a sight and a big terrific bite of this hamburger, macaroni, bacon, cheese deal tonight, Mr. So. Alright, buddy, the time has come. The macaroni hamburger dish is done, and I'm having that first bite for myself. And I tell you what, not only does it smell good, but I'm glad I wore my buff stuff shirt, because boy, I'm in here sweating like a damn dog. So ooh, boy, that's a cheesy, delicious, good little treat there, sir. So tastes like a burger with a little macaroni in it, if you know what I'm talking about. Well, like I told you, I got things to do. I might take this with me though when I'm doing, because it's damn good. So I want to thank you damn good people for stopping by another episode of Cooking with Black Owl. I want you to like and subscribe, follow me on social media, and also watch all my other cooking videos right here on my YouTube channel. Now, you'll excuse me, stuff to do, stuff to eat now too, so I'll see you later.